Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Jake and I make these simple investing videos and YouTube tutorials about different topics. So in this one, I'm going to show you this course that I made with Claude AI. So you can see here on the screen, I have it pulled up, and in the course, I'm going over the 12 to 15 dividend growth portfolio. So it's basically this custom ETF that I built, and you can see that Broadcom is the first stock up here, and you can see that they've paid they've raised their dividends over 30% every year for 10 years. And then we're just going to scroll down all the way to the bottom here and show you that this calculator that I built. So this calculator calculates your portfolio amount. So we're going to start it at 50,000, or actually let's start it at like 80,000 where mine's sitting at. So we'll start it at 80, and then we're going to keep these numbers here the same, and then we're going to hit calculate, and it's going to show us the uh end the basically the end result over after 25 years. And keep in mind, you guys, that what it's showing is it's showing a fixed amount of 80,000. That doesn't include any additional contributions. So if you think about it, if you keep contributing every month or every 2 weeks, then that number is going to be growing up a lot more, instead of just the number that it's sitting at right now. So then another thing we're going to be going over is, if you look up here, it shows the 15 stocks that I picked. And actually it's only 14 right now. But the 15th one is going to be MasterCard. So then going down on the list, you can see that there's Broadcom, and then if you click on the stock and then scroll down a little bit more, you're going to be able to see more information about it, and it's going to show you details. So I'll just scroll down and I'll show you that. And then if we go back up, we're going to see Microsoft is another one, Royal Bank of Canada, uh, TD Bank, Bank of Nova Scotia, companies like AbbVie and Enbridge, and there's companies like Google and Nvidia. So those are some other companies as well. So I'm just going to pause the video and then get into some other details. So as you can see, there's my free dividend ETF course. So you can get the free course in the link in the description. And also you can sign up to Wealthsimple and get $25 of a reward. If you use my sign up link, we both get $25. If you deposit $100 in 30 days, then we both get $25. So if you liked the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll be back for more in the next one.